drew a G on the set. Never mind.
Okay, drew.
I'm gonna find it before I tell you. Alright.
Let me know when.
Yeah, it's not on there, but I got it.
Don't hit it yet.
Okay, good.
Are you good?
Hold on.
I'm ready.
Alright. 3, 2, 1.
Absolutely amazing.
Dude,
Absolutely amazing.
you hear it? Oh, shit.
Brian forgot an earplug.
That's why I was like, dude, that's why you could feel the motherfucker from the top.
Okay, let's go see Jim.